Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. It's the 1st of January 2020 and I haven't talked to you for like 2 weeks now, so I decided to make this video. I'm actually about to sleep. It's 4 p.m. here and I feel so tired and sleepy, and it's my day off, so I just want to chill and rest. I closed the window so it's gonna be dark, but while lying in bed, something came in my mind na naisip ko na why don't I make a video about the things that I am grateful for on last year, 2019. So here I am. So this video is gonna be all about the things that I am grateful for the year 2019. First of all, I'm so grateful for the blessings that God has given me and my family. 2019 has been an awesome year. We were blessed with good health, especially my mom, my brothers and sister, Mipo's mom and Mipo's dad, and her sisters too, and of course Isabel. Our baby as well, our princess Paying, is also blessed with good health, growing as a smart kid. So all in all, that itself is already like a huge blessing to me and my family. At yung mga highlights lang din na natanggap ko pa aside from that ngayong year na to is it actually started in January 31st. That was the time when I received an email about my passport request from Canada Immigration. So Canada Immigration has sent me email requesting for my passport, picture and stuff to be sent to them. And that was the 31st of January. And then about mid-February, I got my passport back with the immigrant visa stamp on it. I also got my confirmation of permanent residency. So late February, I introduced my family to Mipo's family. And March 2019, I landed here in Canada. So also God has introduced me to a lot of good people here. Before I came here in St. John, I didn't know anything. I don't have a job offer here. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if I will be able to land a job or what, or if I end up in different jobs. But God is so good. He provided good people to me too. Nakilala ko sina Paolo, doon ako tumira sa kanila for 3 months. Siya din yung nag-introduce sa akin sa iba't ibang mga Filipino na friends dito. Kaya mas lumawak yung network ko. Right now I have a lot of friends here because Filipinos here are really good. They're really helpful. In fact, just a special mention, when transferred here and in this apartment, we don't have a bed. We don't have a table in the kitchen. This is totally empty. So Kuya Rodel and Ate Mili gave me that table. Siya pa mismo nagbuhat niyan, and it's heavy, but yeah, I appreciate it a lot. Also this bed, Kuya Rodel, this came from Kuya Rodel and Ate Mili. And those chairs I have, it was given by Richard Hall. His colleague of mine is a really, really good guy. I really like to be around with Richard. He's just really good, really helpful. And every time I talk to him, I'm learning something new. So he also gave me this huge cabinet, and he don't want me to call this cabinet. I forget the term he used for this. But yeah, also the heater. So I'm so thankful for everyone here. God has showed me or has lead me to good people that would really help. And yeah, yung mga talaga na tao, yung mga mabubuting tao, yun yung mga nakilala ko dito. So I'm so thankful for that. That is not within my control. It is a blessing from God. What else? So that was March, and then in April 1st, I got the job. I actually got 3 job offers when I get here. When I got here, I didn't have any job offer, so I started applying for jobs. and then I got 3 job offers, and I got the best one. So I work as an IT support engineer starting April in one of the biggest IT company here in St. John, and I'm so grateful for it. I didn't have a hard time adjusting because yung trabaho ko sa Cebu na iniwan ko is exactly the same with what I am doing here when I got here. I mean, when I got that job. So yun excuse me. So yun po yung nakuha ko, at saka it's the first time as well na na-promote ako sa trabaho. So I'm so blessed for it. The salary as well has increased a lot, and oh man, I'm just so thankful for it. Mipo has also had a chance to have a vacation here, and in December she already went back to the Philippines. She got home safely. That's a blessing as well. A lot of blessings, blessings after blessings after blessings. Those are like the major blessings that I have received this year. Aside from material things that I got, oh man, I got a lot. Okay, so yeah, but this year is actually the year where God has shown me His plan. This is the year where God made me realize why I experienced those hardships, those struggles in 2018. Because in 2018, I got multiple rejections. I started the year with no job. I tried my luck in Singapore. I didn't get any job. I got a job offer when I was about to go home, but then the company decided not to proceed because their quota has been reached for their SPAS, so I wasn't able to get a job. I went back home to the Philippines, no money, so depressed, so depressed. Like, when I was in Singapore, I was like crying every night, like praying to God, Lord, why are you not giving me jobs? I have the experience, I have the certificates, why I'm not getting any jobs? I was like questioning God that time. I remember there was like one night when there are people in the living room, and I'm like staying in the living room there. So I have to go out and sit outside, and I was like really crying. I was like, bakit ganito kahirap yung dinadaanan ko ngayon? I felt like I don't deserve to be like this. So yun yung kini-question ko si God that time, and yeah, that is the struggles I have in 2018. But then when I got back in Cebu, I got a job, an IT support job, which is the most important event in 2018, because if I didn't got that IT support job in Cebu, I wouldn't be able to land a job here in Canada as an IT support engineer, because I wouldn't have the experience. So because of that, I realized that that's the reason why God didn't give me those jobs that I wanted, or those jobs that I applied for in Singapore and in the Philippines, because His plan is for me to be an IT support engineer, so that when I will get here in Canada, I would be able to easily find a job. How amazing it is! Like, the timing and everything is really perfect. So if you get any rejections, or if you're like in rock bottom, don't give up. Just keep praying. Trust that God will give you the best. Like, He's just preparing something better for you. Because I experienced that. I've been so depressed, and then last year, 2019, everything is like para bang lininis lahat ng Diyos na yung magiging daan ko. So He didn't give me that job, that network or admin job that I applied for in Cebu. I got rejected for it. So I realized if I got the network admin job, the systems admin job in Cebu, then I wouldn't be able to have the experience for an IT support engineer, and I wouldn't be able to land that job that I have now. So, talagang grabe yung pagkaplano ni Lord sa buhay ko. I'm just really thankful for it. Sharing the blessings as well. I'm blessed because I want to be a blessing to others. The best way that I can probably be a blessing to others would be to share information to you guys. I don't know you guys personally because I haven't met you yet, but this is just a one way of me giving information that would give you at least an idea about how to process your immigration, or how to process to become a permanent resident here in Canada. And yeah, I'm so thankful for it. So yeah, if you get rejections, don't let that stop you. Keep doing what you do. Keep your faith up. The more you receive rejections, the more you go closer to God, because He is just like showing you something. Napakita lang niya na kaya niya pina-experience. Like for me, I realized that the reason why God, kung bakit niya ako pina-experience ng ganun kahirap sa Singapore at saka last year, I mean 2018, is for me to appreciate life more, appreciate how things is, that I appreciate everything that I have now here. So yeah, just keep doing what you do. Do your best at all times, and for those things that is not within your control, lift it up to God. And yeah, I just miss talking to you guys. So yeah, I'm going back to bed now. I'm going to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this impromptu video that I did, that just came into my mind. I didn't plan this or anything. Yeah, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Og maayong adlaw sa tanan. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away.